everybody. My name is SpaceGodzilla, and today I want to tell you what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for my brother and I spending time with each other. What I'm thankful for, Joy helping me out a lot of times. What I'm thankful for is Godzilla X Kong, the New Empire, the movie, that it was the best. And what I'm thankful for is the Kung Fu Panda 4 movie that I've watched is the best. And what I'm thankful for is the dream production of the world of Inside Out, that it was made so awesome. And what I'm thankful for is Inside Out 2, that Riley was 13 years old, and it was the best what the facts has told me about. But what I'm not thankful for is the problem that I've been having to venture with. Like, I didn't know what I had to venture to. And I'm not thankful for is anger talking about Joy, that is something terrible, about delusional of all kinds of stuff. You see, anger always thinks Joy is delusional for no reason to what I've remembered to. And the reason why I didn't know Joy was gotten a little snapped, it's because she's angry for that. So that's why I kept my mouth shut, that I do not say any word that I am not accomplishing into. And that's the reason why I kept my mouth shut. It's because I did not want to say any word. But all I said is regular times and regular words that I say. And yeah, and that's just about it. But not the word delusional that Joy has gotten a little angry about and snapped. And the reason why I didn't know about Joy is because I didn't see her in the movie that it was the best. But now I've seen it with Godzilla and Kong and the others that I watched that in the movie sometimes when I had to do something without Elmo realizing it. Like that, for example. If you want to subscribe to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure to subscribe. And it'll be the new one coming up, but it'll be the best time for them timing up the year. Please make sure to notification bell to make sure to please subscribe this channel and make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is SpaceGodzilla signing out. You are Grover than you. What do you think you're talking to? Oh crap! What the fuck is wrong with you? Now don't talk to me like that, do you understand me? Okay, I'm sorry. Now shut the fuck up and keep your mouth shut. Never underestimate SpaceGodzilla. But except my brother, he had a lot of exception. He is my brother. I am my brother. Even Biolante, she has a lot of exception. 10 hours later!
Hey, brother, check this out. I got a new VHS. Lars. Typical
And now we're gonna do something different. Like, we're gonna watch a great movie. Like, a great emotion movie.
What does it say?
It's Inside Out 2.
Silly? What'd you think it was?
Inside Out 2?
Oh my god.
If it's Inside Out 2, then how did you know? The Inside Out 2, it was released on 2024. Inside Out 2? Oh my god.
That means...
Oh my god. It's George